What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be cutting out and building our own supers for our beehives. If you don't know what a super is, that's basically what people like to put on to store honey. I'll show you one right here. This is where we keep all of our bee equipment, mainly on this side. But the shorter boxes like that are called supers. See, you can see a size difference. The regular boxes are a little higher. That's called a deep, and then there is the super, which is shorter. We're going to go ahead and start cutting and get it all down to the measurements. Sides of the box, we already got them cut down, but you got to cut grooves into there so the frames will fit pretty good. Here we are stacking the dado blade so we can cut the gouges into the board. Here we are actually cutting out the gouges where the frames will be resting on. So we have to cut in some gouges right here, different size, so we can fit the side pieces in there and connect them. The size of the gouge will be the 3/4. Once we had all the gouges cut into the boards, we was ready to put it together, and we did so. We also had to check and make sure that it was squared. We had to glue it all together and then nail them all in with a staple gun. And that's when the setback started to happen. It fell apart, somehow. So we redid it all again, glued it, and then nailed it all back together. We also added screws for support. But when we went to set the frames inside the box, we realized something wasn't right. The frames would basically fall right through. The box was too big. And the reason it was like this is because we were using the wrong kind of measurements. We were using the butt joint measurements instead of the rabbet joint measurements. And as you can imagine, we had to take it apart, cut a little piece off, and put it back together again. But we ran into another setback. One of the boards that we put back on was put back on upside down. So we had to fix that. So we took another board that we already had pre-cut and used it as a replacement.
because we didn't have enough wood to make another box anyway. Then we tried to make our own handles. The first side didn't look as good, but the other side was awesome. And here's a picture of the finished product. After getting everything sorted out, here are the correct measurements. Just like that, that'll be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Be sure to check out Noah Brock's channel, Fun with the Diesel, and go check out Big Al MV, and go check out RAA Outdoors.